Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video on mature, very, very dry skin. It has gotten so much drier in the last just couple weeks. Anyway, and today we are testing out the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation. My color is Porcelain. So if you want to see how this one did in our test, then stay tuned. Let's get started. I am going to prime my face. Since my face has been so dry, actually, first I am going to put a clip on this hair that, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got it cut. Look at that. I got like a foot cut off of it, I think. She wouldn't tell me exactly how much because she was afraid I'd be mad at her. But I told her, you need to cut off whatever needs to be cut off. And it was all scraggly at the bottom. So, come on here. So I let her do it. Oops, that's not dyed enough. There. Alright, I think this side will be okay. I'm going to use my Milky Mist from Pixie to hydrate this oh so dry skin. My hairdresser said this is eczema. So I got some cream, some prescription cream. Hopefully it'll go away. I don't know. I never had eczema before. At least I never knew it if I did. Anyway, we need to let this dry for just a second. Oh, I have a fan. I know that. Haven't used it in a while because it's been cold. Dry this a little bit and then add my I'm going to use my Tarte Double Duty Beauty primer because my face is so dry these days that it needs the extra oomph from a cream instead of that. I know that the grip says Hydro Grip, but it doesn't feel very hydrating. And this is awesome. It smells like coconut and it feels like moisture. So, especially around this side of my mouth and this side, this eye, I still haven't tested the Shape Tape and the Boing on the opposite eyes to see if it was just this eye is drier, because it does seem like this eye is just drier now. So I think that actually, I said the Shape Tape one, I think they were exactly the same. Except I do think that the Boing is not as dry and easier to work with. You don't have to go as fast, but I kind of still like the Jeffree Star better, I think. I don't know, I like them all. I see a hair right here. I know it's kind of fuzzy. I was going to curl it, but I'm running out of time. So we're just going to let that sit for just a minute. I am going to apply this to the back of my hand. And then with a sponge. And then with a brush and then with a sponge. Just like I always do with all of them. Since I now have it all over my hand, okay, I'm just going to take my Japanesque brush, number 708. See how we can get some glow going. Hopefully it's got some coverage. It appears to have lots of glow, not so much on coverage. It is a foundation, isn't it? Naturally Radiant Foundation. Okay, it is. scared me there for a minute. Well, it's moving around a lot. Even lots of streaks. Maybe I should put my hair behind me. It's a little bit light for me, but we can make it work, right? All right, I'm just gonna, it doesn't have much coverage. Look at the spots showing through. I don't think it's buildable though. Let me go in with a sponge, smooth it out, and then we'll try and build it up a little bit. I guess I should have went in and read it. So I definitely need some building. Seems very lotiony, which to me kind of feels like it's going to sink into lines, but we'll see. All right, let's see if we can build it up a little bit. I'm just going to get some on my sponge. I know I never do this because it stains my sponge. Well, it built a little bit. But I don't know, the coverage just isn't there for me. Let's see what it looks like after I put on some concealer and stuff. See if it stays in powder. Okay, let's go in with concealer. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star. Okay, I'm going to go in with my sponge and blend this around. Yep, I still love the Jeffree Star concealer. Yeah, it is sinking into the lines a little bit, so I need to get on it and get it set with some powder. I'm going to go off camera and put the rest of my makeup on, and I will be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is our final look for the day, and so far, I'm not sure it's going to be what I want. It's glowy. But when I powdered it, it seemed like it got rid of the glow, but then I sprayed it and it got better again. So just keep that in mind. But as far as the foundation goes, it's not sinking into lines. I did think it was going to, but so far it's not. So, it looks really good. It just doesn't have the coverage that I like, because see the spots, they're showing through. I don't like that, but I do like the glowiness that I've got with it, and it feels great. It feels like you're not wearing anything, but a lot of them feel that way these days. It's like they don't have that makeup-y look. But my really dry skin, it looks better though now that I've sprayed it. Before I sprayed it, oh my gosh, I was a flake everywhere. Even when I didn't even think I had dry skin there. Well, I have dry skin everywhere, but anyways, so far so good. I will come back at the end of the day and check in and let you know if it started doing anything weird. Otherwise, I think we're going to give it a thumbs up, except for the coverage. You gotta have to, you know, if you like glowy, but you don't mind if there's not that much coverage, then this may be the one for you. I will come back at the end of the day and let you. Hey guys, I am back. It is the end of the day, and as you can see, had to get my hair out of my face, and it was cold, so I had to put on another shirt. But this shirt at least matches the eye look that we did. I feel cat hair on my nose. Ah, there you are. So, what do I think of this? This is the NYX Born to Glow in Porcelain. And it's okay. It's sinking into lines a little bit, but it's been on for quite a while. It's only sinking into these lines too, and it's not very bad. So, I think it's good. I think it's pretty good to have glow and to be this good. The only thing is, for me, it's too sheer because I can see through it. But I still think it's a good product. I just like more coverage. So I probably would say if you like light coverage and you like glow, this is a good product. If you're like me, you might want to pass on it because it definitely doesn't have coverage. And I like the glow though. So I think it's got like 2 out of 3. It feels great on your skin. It's got the glow that they call for. I never did look it up to see what kind of coverage it says it's supposed to have, but it's got light coverage. And I built it up twice on my cheeks. I mean, I built it up once. And it built up a little bit, but it's not enough for the spots I got going on right now. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!